Hello and welcome to my channel Parthavi's Kitchen, where cooking comes from heart. Today we are making famous Dal Tadka from Indian cuisine. It serves 4 to 6 adults and is ready in just 30 minutes. Let's start by cooking the dal. Here I have 1/3 cup of Toor dal, which is washed and soaked for 10 minutes. With 1/4 cup of Masoor dal, again washed and soaked for 10 minutes. And 1/4 cup of moong dal, which is again washed and soaked for 10 minutes. To this I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, and about 1/2 cup of water. I am going to pressure cook this for about 3 to 4 whistles and keep it aside. Simultaneously, I am going to make some chili oil for garnish. I have taken 1/2 tablespoon of oil, to which I am going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I am going to mix and cook this for about 30 seconds to a minute, not overcook it. Once done, I am going to keep it aside to cool down and use it later. You can use this chili oil for other recipes as well. Now let's start with the tadka. I'm going to heat about 1 tablespoon of oil, and along with it I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Ghee gives a lovely flavor to the dal. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, about 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, and let it crackle. Once the cumin is cooked, I am going to add 1 medium onion which is finely chopped, along with 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. I am going to mix this and cook just for about a minute till the rawness of the garlic and the onion goes away. Once done, add about 4 boria red chilies, or you can also add 2 whole red chilies, and 3 green chilies which are finely chopped. This we are going to mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the onions are nicely cooked or turn light brown. Take about a spoonful of this cooked onion mixture and keep it aside. We are going to use this for garnish later. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger along with 1 large tomato that is finely chopped. I am also going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Not add too much salt because salt is already added to the dal. We are going to mix and cook this mixture for about a minute till the rawness of the tomatoes go away. Now to make this mixture a little mushy, I am going to add about 1/4 cup of water, and then I am going to mix and lightly mash and cook this mixture for about 3 to 4 minutes. We are going to cook till tomatoes are nice and soft and are completely cooked. Now I am going to add about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and mix and cook for 1 more minute till the rawness of the chili goes away. Once done, I am going to add the cooked dal. Now to dilute the dal, I am going to add about 2 cups of water and then lightly mash it to combine. This I am going to boil it for about 5 to 6 minutes till the dal and the spices are nicely cooked. For more recipe videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Our dal tadka is now ready to serve. Here are some plating and serving suggestions. You can either serve it in a bowl or with rice. For rice, gently level the rice in your serving plate. Now with the help of a bowl, just press it gently and make a small indent in the center. Once done, serve the hot dal in the center. You can clean the plate if required. Now garnish it with the cooked onion mixture and drizzle some chili oil on top. You can either reduce or increase the quantity of chili oil. Chili oil also adds the extra spice to your dal. This is purely as per your taste. For this individual serving, I am randomly drizzling the oil to make the presentation look a little bit rustic. I like it this way. Now garnish it with some fresh chopped coriander and serve hot. You can either make this dal a part of your meal or simply enjoy it with plain rice. Trust me, this recipe is very easy to make and is simply delicious. Do give this recipe a try. For more dal recipes such as dal panchmel, kali dal, tomato pappu or Gujarati naat wali dal, do follow my channel. All you need to do is like, share and subscribe. Enjoy your dal tadka. For ingredients, tips and other details, look at the description below. Follow us and happy cooking from heart.